To deploy the Bimini, first thing you want to do is take your retention straps, unbuckle them from the tower, and then put them forward. Then we're just going to push this guy all the way out. Grab our zipper for our Bimini boot and undo that. Set it off to the side or put it into storage. You want to unravel the actual Bimini boot itself. Then you're going to just grab the top bar and deploy it all the way over, like so. Grab the frame and pull it just right on down. And then you're going to take your holes right here on the back side, unclip it from the top bar, and you want to have the little ball facing down. And then right next on the side of the tower here, you're going to go forward and slide it into place. And you actually have this little half-moved little retention pin that's going to hold it in place. Do the same thing for the other side. Secure your little Velcro straps onto the framework. Then it's nice and secure for you to head out. When you're ready to put the Bimini away, it's the reverse process. So first thing would be to undo your retention rods on the back here, undo the Velcro. You're gonna flip the rear bar forward. You're gonna ravel up the Bimini fabric itself onto itself, just kind of wrap it around. Then you're gonna zip the Bimini boot and push the frame back into its stored position and then clip it into place.